Hi students, so today I'm taking you to a website entitled Slave Voyages, www.slavevoyages.org. So this is through a non-profit organization that is helping students understand the enslaved peoples of Africa's trip across the Atlantic world. You can scroll through the page like any other website. At the top we have a few different choices here. So under the transatlantic section, if you click on that, there are some key points to helping you understand where the information comes from the database, estimates, essays, a few downloads. There are some interactive maps. You can slave ship 3D videos. The time and chronology is one of my favorite on here. So there's a list of how many captives embarked per year from 1500 to 1850. And there are some key dates down here that you should keep in mind for maybe why it sparked in right after 1800 or when it started to increase. Now if we go back up to the tab, the slave ship in 3D video, super neat. I'll just hit play just to show you a quick bit about what it's about.
1867, more than 40,000 voyages set sail from Africa to the Americas.
Alright, so you can see that that's just going to show you a video of where all of the ships go, and it can do a time lapse. African names under this tab. There's different names, ages of people, so you can learn a little bit about their family and what all they went through, where they came from. And you can actually set different ones. So if you're looking for someone specific for a project, maybe I'll give you later on this year, you can narrow it down and search there as well. Besides like the ship names, you can go from the origin, so what country they came from, the place that they embarked from, and you can even find out from this list where they ended up. One of my favorite parts here down in the resources section is the image gallery. So here you can see different types of documents, and then you could also see here like drawings or depictions of some of the slaves, and you can connect like the years here to the people. So maybe in the photographs you can find like someone you're writing a report about. And then at the same time, this is a little bit about the transatlantic project that I'm showing you here today. You can see the history, the team, the contributors, acknowledgments, a lot of things that you're going to need to know if you were to, let's say, quote from the site. If you're going to do a research project about the slaves, you can go through all of these, and it's a very useful site.